So we're downtown here, downtown Los Angeles, 11th and Central. We're at the electronic district. This is where they do all the car installations. It's fucking insane. Bunch of guys just yelling at you to, hey, come over here, come over here. So we found a great place here. Let's check them out. So I did a Yelp search trying to figure out where I could do my stereo installation for the 65 Mustang. You know, I've gone to different places before. They're super expensive. You know, I found this electronics district and I found Pro Customs and Cables. Talked to Ricardo. His reviews were pretty good. There was some that said, oh, he sucks and all that too, which I like because that tells you that they're all not like fake reviews. And so what I'm going to do is, I already spoke to him. They're working on the car. I like Ricardo, or he knows what he's talking about, wants me to do this, wants me to do that, trying to keep the price down. I want to check and see how they're working on the car. Hey, so this is my good friend Alejandro. I told him my budget's $500. I think we can make that work, right?
No. We went over budget.
It's still a really good deal, but we have made some changes here. Let's talk about what we're doing. So what are we doing?
Oh, we had the kick panels?
Yeah, we did kick panels.
You wanted kick panels with components, which is the tweeter and the 6.5 speaker. So, and then we did the kit for this radio. You wanted something with the CarPlay.
The 7-inch, kind of like a very narrow, shallow base, because we didn't want to mess up the dash. We want to cut into it. So we created a 3D digital. It can all be in the stuff that you read, where you can get it and all that. So we put that in there because it's actually kind of like a real head unit, right?
And honestly,
you like the head unit?
Yes, and you have everything that is modern right now. So you
Do
have
you like the head unit?
Yes,
Pretty cool.
I like it. I like it. I would like the original one, but you wanted something more.
Touchscreen, all that, with the navigation, all that.
Exactly.
So we did that. Oh, then inside we did the 6x9.
Oh, we did the 6x9s component too.
We built a panel for back there.
We built the panel. We use it in the boxes, our boxes. Ground shaker, by the way. And to me, it looks awesome.
Great. And then we also put speakers up here,
Oh,
right?
we did add some speakers, 4-inch in the front. And we put them together. It's factory, basically. They have the panel. Us could just install it, but we just a little modification in there.
Okay.
We had to cut a little bit.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And then in the back is where things have changed.
Yes. On the back, we had 2 amplifiers, Alpine. You guys can see. And we still had to add the subs.
Did you guys see this the other day?
We're gonna do this one.
So
it was sent from Japan.
I got this from Japan.
Yes.
I thought it was gonna be the coolest thing ever. Actually, it's kind of cool when it lights up, but it's not giving
it's nice, but it's not gonna give you the sound that you were looking for.
Yeah.
Like I told you before, it looks nice.
This will be good for my wife.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe in the garage, it's gonna look cool.
It does look cool.
Yeah.
But doesn't sound great. That doesn't sound horrible, but things sound better.
Yeah.
So what's the plan now?
2 10s. To me, it's gonna look a lot better. It's gonna sound a lot nicer too.
So the box, where's it gonna go? Is it gonna go over here?
Yeah, the box is gonna be on the floor. And I'm gonna make some panels right here.
Okay.
So everything is gonna be closed. You're not gonna see metal, nothing like that.
Okay.
So what you see is only the amplifiers and the 2 subwoofers on top. That's all you're gonna
And
see.
aquí también todo va a
Yeah.
estar closed.
Yeah.
And that's gonna make it sound great?
Oh yeah, the sound's gonna be louder, deep, clean, and the tone is gonna look really nice.
And then we're concerned about the amps and all.
Those little amplifiers has a lot of power.
And we're doing the tin because he had the 2 separate tin line here. You guys can see the line. And my nice guy, Sergio. Sergio, ¿desde los cuántos años estás polarizando?
La realidad con mi papá, que tengo unos 12 años polarizando. El amigo lo traía de 2 piezas y le decía a él que era mejor removerle el polarizado viejo porque íbamos a hacer de una sola pieza. La diferencia es que el polarizado que tenía un polarizado celular. Entonces ahora vamos a poner un polarizado cerámico que se van a corregir el calor hasta un 98% y de los rayos UV un 99.9%. Es muy buen material. También le vamos a hacer lo que son las 2 ventanas de adelante y las 2 pequeñas.
Con todo manteniendo el interior, que se mire el interior. No va a ser oscuro, va a ser transparente, nomás para protección del sol y para que nunca esté caliente el carro.
Exactamente, es un 50% del material, que el amigo lo que ocupa es que se vea todo bien en el interior.
Lo que es un Mustang.
Thanks, guys.
Me debes $200.
The budget keeps going up.
200 a mí
Keeps going
y
up.
100 a él.
So every hit, every like we get, we give you some money because my budget was $500, and it's gone up a little bit more since then. Thank you, man. Really appreciate
Yeah, man.
it. Looking forward to hearing about
We'll have to talk to Ricardo.
Probably another $1,000.
$1,000. Oh shit.
I'll talk to Ricardo, not Alejandro. Okay, looks like they did some great progress here. They said it's going to be a couple more days, probably be a week. So we'll come back in a week, check it out for the big reveal. So stay tuned, subscribe, do all that stuff the kids do, and there's more videos to come. Thanks.